It's about everyone who shared in the music, and I think they will pick up a lot of lessons the way we did coming into this movie.
Matapos ang ilang advanced screenings sa Canada at Amerika, nalalapit na rin ang theater screenings ng Eraserheads Combo on the Run, ang dokumentaryo tungkol sa karera ng sikat na 90s Filipino rock band na Eraserheads.
It's a film that sort of like shows them in a way that they've never, been depicted before, and also like, hoping that, it stokes the pride of Filipino people that this story is shared to new generations.
Sa mga advanced screening, matapos ipalabas ang dokumentaryo, naghandog din ng ilang harana si Ellie Buendia sa mga manonood. Ito raw ang unang beses na kinanta niya ang kanyang mga musika sa sinehan. Nakakataba raw ng puso ang reaksyon ng fans.
It feels nice. I know that's an understatement, but I feel a lot of emotions every time I see the fans, happy, either while performing the songs or them watching the new film.
Ikinatuwa rin ni Diane Ventura ang positibong pagtanggap ng mga dumalo sa kauna-unahan niyang dokumentaryo.
It was super heartwarming to see all of them kind of reach out to us, parang approach us and say that the film moved them. Kasi, like as a filmmaker, you just hope that, minimum requirement, like wish lang, is for them to sit through the whole film, but for them to actually make time to go out of their way to say how much the film meant to them, meant a lot to me.
Hinihikayat nila ang mga Pilipino na kasabay ng patuloy na pagsuporta sa musika ng Eraserheads, suportahan din ang dokumentaryong tumalakay sa karera ng isa sa mga bandang nagtulak sa popularidad ng original Filipino music.
It's historic because it's the first Philippine documentary that's released this wide in North America. And, I was saying the intention of this project has evolved, and one of like the objectives right now is really to rally the people to watch this film.
Mapapanood ang Eraserheads Combo on the Run sa piling mga sinehan sa Canada at Amerika simula Biyernes, April 24. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.